Sorry, the hotel has been built on the island's pier. We hope the hotel and the island's natural beauty will draw a lot of visitors. Hey, I'm talking my kind of ghosted on me there. Hey, ever wonder how ghosts get ripped? What kind of ghosts are you seeing if they're fucking ripped? I want to see them, the hell? Hello, my name's Rossetti. I'm here to- Why is your voice so high?
I'm here to greet all the island residents and inform them of the terrific reset service.
God, dirt clods! That ain't how I talk. Let me give it to you straight. Yeah, there you go. I'm gonna start over. Name's Rossetti, that's clear, ain't it? On your Nook phone, you got the app for the rescue service. I saw the exclamation point, I was like, what's the sound of an exclamation point? Oh, can you see me? I thought maybe I was a ghost for- Okay, another villager I talked to that mentions a ghost, okay? A lot. Can you guys guess what my favorite color is? God, uncomfortable ass Lego bed. Hello, I'm not sleeping on that. Jesus. I need to buy like everything, but also at the same time. Big man bed! Oh shit, the Ocarina of Time! An Echoes of Wisdom guy. Oh shit, there's more. Hang on, that's not the start. Low-key, that would be a banger to have on your island. Oh, it's not the case! Never mind. If I want to terrorize my villagers, yeah, sure. What the? I can jump? What? Yay! Oh, I feel so happy here already. I'm sure it'll be just as Mr. Nook says. More and more folks will bound to come visit once the island hotel. Just between us, though, we're not quite finished prepping the rooms. After all, I've never been good at designing hotel rooms. Well, you got your guy. Hey, kiddo! Oh my god, holy pitch. First off, we're dropping everything we want in here. So... Move! Oh! Oh! Please be smaller, man! Fuck! I'm gonna put in this corner because it looks like I shoved everything in that corner, right? The cuck chair. Alright. I think that's nice. I think I need some plants on this wall, though, to make it look, air quote, busy. There's like a helicopter flying, like, nearby me right now. You guys hear that? What? Bro, shut the fuck up! Asshole! The fuck are with these planes? What the hell? Alright, I'm done, Leilani. Oh, wait, take up. Oh, shit. Oh. Don't get me in the picture. The plane's back again! What the fuck? It's like the 4th time it's circled around, I guess. I don't know. It's the scuttlebutt. All done! Now you'll get out your phone. I can thank you for your hard work. Here's 200 tickets for ye. Hooray! Never paid in bells. The fuck does modern room mean? There's a lot of words now describing as modern as a room, which is either just like pure evil fuck-ass white or like normal. That's not really a good screen if there's like holes in it. You're supposed to go behind the screen for it to block you, right? If I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me see how this looks. Oh, fuck yeah. I can't believe it took us 7 years to bulk craft. Yeah, I was thinking about like, damn. Like, it's great you updated the game at Animal Crossing. I love you for that, but 7 years to green? Never have once in my life I've actually been excited over the color green. I think we're done here. This is pretty good. I like it. Hell yeah. Ugh. I didn't even do that. Oh god. Okay, maybe I did mean to do that. Painted's banger. You can exchange your hard-earned tickets for souvenirs here. I don't know why I made myself, like a smoker from New York. Well, you see, here's the stock we got on hand. Fire. Tubular lamp? This looks like I'm gonna cast a wizard spell. Hello? Yeah, let me step out for a moment. Is there like, I don't know if Tom Nook's gonna be out there and be like, hello, I'm gay. Oh, hey, he's there and gay. Why does the bro look like a little bit of bold and brash? Oh my god, hi, bestie, hi. Oh my god, hi, bestie, hi, Strike. Hey man, how's it going? Dap me up, dog. So I'm like, that'd be awesome. But you know, it's gotta be expensive because oh shit, he is on the island! Oh, that's awesome! Okay, cute. For the model to be made because, you know. Can I play the Figurine? That's not what it sounds like. This Figurine sucks! He sold me a broken one, the fuck? Oh, wait. Look at this. Shit. I dropped my weed. Don't tell Tom Nook. You know what? Strawberry Freely needs a special night for everyone to dress up. Halloween. Into my room. Wait, let me wear this. Oh, fuck yeah! Sick-ass guitar riff, hello? Yay! It's combo! That's what I named my super sea snail. You will die. Colorful striped knit cap? It's about to look dog shit, hang on. I mean, it's great! There you go. Be like, holy shit, Fry Splatoon! There's a small little simple update anyway. I do want to also get like Mineru on my island, but you know. Oh shit, mannequin time, actually. I might have an idea. I do have really no other idea. Ooh la la. You know, I could be the Kappa. Is that a little bit offensive to put a Kappa outfit as like a stupid outfit while we have the Kappan family over here who are Kappas? Am I being racist? Uh-oh. Everyone's looking super cutie patootie or a maid on my island if they're visiting. I guess I'll do a little Western style ranch room, why not? Did I just hear Captain's song in that OST? Did you fucking hear that? That's cute. Stop! I don't think I really put a lot of rugs in my last room, but... A ranch... mat rug thing. Oh! I think that works. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Everything is kind of pushed in to the sides, though. I could have something here. That'd be nice, but I don't know what. Oh, chat, it's beautiful. So do the villagers that are visiting, do they change to that outfit immediately? Oh fuck, I'm feeling pins and needles. Oh, you're so cutie patootie. Get away from the trees. Ah! So, how you enjoying the island, huh? Oh, wait, girl, you're kind of slaying. Marlo. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, it's Petra, hey. I think I saw Sheena. I saw Tia. Tia! Alright. Sheeno! Dude, I'm so good with the megaphone, holy shit. Audie. Dobie. Oh, fuck yeah. Kurt. I think we have word on the island that there's a little seagull stranded on our, shore. Could I microphone to Gulliver? Wait. Gulliver! No response. Gullivar! No. Looks like it's Gullivar. Oh, how am I gonna say that in the microphone? Hang on. Wake up! Sure, I look for it after I scream a megaphone in your face. Hang on. How do I say your name? It's Gullivar. Gullivar! Oh! Avast! Okay, this is pretty cool. Can I do the tourists? Or, shit, not Petra. Alright. Petri. Petri. Oh, fuck yeah.